You're always the Caucasian, Filipino-American eating spaghetti. Eating spaghetti is, what time is it? 4:50. It's a nice bite. There you go. American eating food. Hey, this. Jollibee in Houston, Texas. Oh, you cannot push. It's in Houston. Jollibee here. Max. Jollibee in Houston, Texas. Home of the Chicken Joy. There it is. Welcome to Jollibee. Look at this. Ice cream. Sweet surprise dog spaghetti since 1978. USA arrived 1998. Jollibee used to. How do you like spaghetti?
I'm gonna rate this 7 out of 10.
How about the chicken?
10 out of 10.
Oh.
Yeah, and the gravy's 12 out of 10. Yeah,
Wow.
pretty good. Yeah.
Chicken Joy.
It's fine.
Jollibee in